For my HI 450 course project, I made a Jeopardy game. It's called HIPAA Security and Privacy Rules Training for USA Health. And let's get into the game. We have 4 categories. We have abbreviations, security, HIPAA regulations, and random questions. The way you play the game is you select which category you want. So say you want abbreviations for 100. The question will be asked to whoever's playing. This can be played as a group type setting game. So this one person comes up. They what does EHR stand for? They give you their answer, and then you have to click this message in the purple, which I have the instructions down here. You're going to click 1 to display the answer, and then click the answer to return to the question board. You have to do it like that in order for it to work properly. Click it, takes you back, and you have security. Choose that for 100. A technique of transforming data so it becomes unreadable. And then they would give an answer, what is encryption? And then you have to click the answer, takes you back. Then you go to HIPAA regulations for 100. HIPAA rule that does not apply to written or oral communication. Gonna click it, and then you get what is security rules. And let's say you want a higher value total. Let's say you do random questions for 500. Give an example of a breach. They would give the example, and it could be possibly one of these answers right here. Or if they give another breach that's not listed, that can be appropriate as well. Doesn't have to be. There's flexibility within the game, so it's just not one answer all the time. So there can be multiple ways of answering specific questions. After each question, the player will be awarded points, or you can do it team based. However, works best for the organization. And that's just a basic walkthrough of how to play my Jeopardy HIPAA security and rules